Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your profile picture from your Google account. So let's start. First open the browser and search for a person profile icon. Download any one of these, long press on the picture and tap download image. Now to remove profile picture you can use any of the Google accounts you have. I'll just stick with Gmail. So I'll just open the Gmail app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Personal Info and you'll see your profile picture here. Now tap on the profile picture to change or remove it. Now set profile photo and select Choose Photo. Then select Gallery. Since you have already downloaded the profile icon on your phone. And now select the file you just downloaded. Now tap Accept. Now reload the page. Maybe it has glitched. I'll try once again. Okay, now it has changed. So that's how you remove your profile picture from your Google account. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.